it's Jesse, part of Divine BMX. Today I'm going to give you my bike check on my Cult CC02 slightly custom bike. My frame is a CC02 2012 Cult frame. Cult forks, Cult tires, Cult rims. Don't know what spokes with a Cult front and back hub. I got Cult pedals, Cult cranks, Cult sprocket, Cult chain, Cult seat post, ODI bar ends with Cult Vans bar grips. I'm not sure what brake cable. Hello, go away. I'm not sure what brake lever this is, but I got a Odyssey linear cable with and I've got a Cult stem. But this September I'm going to get a new Cult stem, which is the Cult Salvation stem. Onto the bars. I've got We the People Mad Max bars, and the specs is the rise is 8.7, width 28.74, back sweep 11, up sweep 1.5, crossbar height 1.125, crossbar width 11.5, and weight 25.5 OZ. This is my bike check, and thanks for watching.